Welcome to Young Learners Interactive Curriculum. This is the home of our interactive stories. We hope that you enjoy the new story. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. An Animal 4th of July, written by Teacher Brenda for ages 4 to 6. Once upon a time, there was a forest full of friendly animals. Soon it would be the 4th of July. In the heart of the forest, Ted and Tina were busy. Ted wore sunglasses and Tina a hat. They wanted to look their best for the party. Meanwhile, Sammy the Sloth was hanging from a banner. He swung gently from side to side. Soon, Sally joined the fun. She was laying on a delicious cupcake. Everyone knew she was an expert baker. Penny the porcupine arrived. She unrolled her towel and laid back, looking up at the sky. Peter came holding a colorful balloon. He tied the balloon around his hand. Soon they both were floating. Ethan came in with his own balloon. He held the balloon tight with his trunk. Ellie stomped in with a flag in her trunk. She was happy, waving the flag high above her head. The animals started the party. They ate delicious cupcakes and yummy ice cream. They danced and played games together. As the sun set, the forest filled with laughter. All of the animals were enjoying the 4th of July party. In the distance, fireworks were lighting up the night sky. All of the animals looked in wonder. In the end, the sky lit up with red, white, and blue. It was the best 4th of July party they ever had. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit younglearnerscurriculum.com for full interactive stories.